Are you an avid online shopper looking for a credit card designed specifically for your online transactions? Well, check out the BPI eCredit card. It's the perfect card for safe, convenient, and rewarding online shopping. Ang maganda dito is that you get enhanced online security through a separate credit card number exclusively for online transactions. It has a lower and adjustable limit to protect the total limit of your main credit card. This sublimit is part of the main credit card limit and it's adjustable according to your preference. It offers zero liability on unauthorized purchases, giving you peace of mind. Plus, you get to earn reward points with every transaction, which you can redeem for rewards. Using the BPI eCredit card is simple. Just use it like any credit card when purchasing online. Makakatanggap kayo ng SMS notification for every purchase, so you're always in control. Applying for a BPI eCredit card is so easy and totally free. It is actually a companion to your main BPI credit card, and it has no annual fees for life. So if you're an existing BPI credit card holder, ipapadala din nila ito separately even without you requesting it. This is what the credit card looks like right now. Dati iba kasi yung design nila. Right now, it's more simple. If you lose your card though, you will be charged a 400 peso replacement fee. Konting background lang, I was given a replacement card because just last month, I thought that I had an unauthorized purchase. So I emailed BPI regarding the purchase, asking more details about that transaction. However, yung response nila was that they canceled my card and they're sending a replacement fee. Then I just realized at that time that it was a legit purchase. Hindi ko napansin agad kasi the merchant's name on my credit card statement was different from what I expected. Unlike before kasi, yung mga online transactions ko match yung nasa statement of account. By the way, starting Feb 7, 2024, nag-update si BPI ng foreign transaction fee nila to 1%. So, they canceled my card but I told them they shouldn't have kasi tinatanong ko lang naman more details on the transaction. And ang effect kasi nun is that I have to pay for the fee and the inconvenience of me not being able to use my card. I had to update the platforms that were connected to this credit card. They apologized for the inconvenience and waived my 400 peso replacement fee. It took me quite some time to receive the replacement card, in total mga 2 to 3 weeks. The first delivery failed because wala daw tao sa bahay to receive it. So I told them, can you resend it and deliver it na lang sa BPI branch para dun ko na lang i-pick up? Because there are times na wala naman ako sa bahay. So that's what they did and finally nakuha ko siya. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos in our series. Thank you guys. Bye!